race relay. Yellow versus white versus red versus green versus black versus blue. A four-man team per representative. Race is on, race is on. It's going to be four members of these teams going for it on this bicycle race relay. Team Yellow on the lead, as you can see. Team Yellow has got the lead. Close contention by Team Blue. Team Blue making an overtaking move. And they get the lead on on that corner on there. But still, Yellow is able to sustain the race lead up in here. So it is Yellow, Blue, and Black at the top three. Green and White on a battle for P4. Look at that gap getting established by Team Yellow.
Dapat yung sumali dyan eh.
Wala eh. Dalawa lang eh. Ako saan sumali dyan eh.
Team Blue not giving up. Still bringing on the fight for the race lead. Team Blue. Yellow about to roll out as well with their second team member.
Kaya, buti niyan.
Team Black at position number 3. Transition time. With the leader.
Uy!
River Water.
Kakain yan! Uy! Wala na!
Take slow deep breaths, okay? Ooh, deep breathe. And up. Pushing the right. Yeah, because it's an uphill from that sector of the track up to the transition sector. The red.
Uy, bawal nyo na!
Moving out with another of the riders.
Patay, bawal na.
And on they go, the second rider of Team Red. Team White also now on transition mode. But wait a minute. Is that transition?
Laki, patay.
Is that transition legit, actually? Actually, good transition, not on the actual spot. Team White on their second rider.
Ma'am Lilibet, ano nangyari?
What a start.
Okay daw.
At the top, is that Team Blue? Team Green, is it going to be Team Red or Team Black? Look at that, Team Red for position number 3. Followed by Team Black. So Team Red always has that kind of thing. He can get up the bike. We're doing sideways. He's okay. You can see the finger.
Ayun! Ayun!
Drink some water.
Ba't kanina?
Wala, babawasan tayo ng points.
Go, Jess! Go, go, go! 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 Go!
Third rider. Let's go.
Yun na.
Bakbak!
Team White, of course.
Baba! Putang
So Team Papa and back to go for Team White track. Here we go.
Putang eh, umangat.
He's in the front. We're going to go to the front.